So here I am, Merchant Words, which I love. Merchant Words is awesome. George is just a stone cold legend, the guy that runs it. So inspirational jewelry, that's our search term. In the US, 1,200 searches per month. Survey says for Australia, 18,000 searches per month in Australia, which is quite a lot. So on paper at least, it looks like you've got some good search volume in Australia for the search term inspirational jewelry. I would also as well check two other places. Sue, could you check Terapeak for me for inspirational jewelry? Inspirational jewelry on Terapeak for me, please, Sue. So that's a lovely, lovely Sue Josephson, our resident eBay queen. And she uses Terapeak. So here, I'm logged into my Google AdWords account. I'm going to get search volume and forecasts for the search term inspirational jewelry. Make sure we spell that right. Get started. Let's have a look what's going down. So, that's not fantastical. Next month, let's have a look. Hold on. All time. Let's have a look. See if we can change things. Okay. So here, I'm going to talk a little bit about AdWords in a while because I've got some good info I can give you on this. But it says here I've got 570 impressions. An impression is a search. So somebody goes to Amazon and searches for this. This location is the USA. Let's change our location to Australia and see if it's any better, because we knew that it was for other things. Oh, okay. Well, that's really, really random and very, very odd. I've not seen that ever before. America, crap for that search term. Australia, awesome for that search term. So I would never sell that product in America, but in Australia, that's a pretty good product to sell. I would definitely go for that, Ross, for sure. And now, of course, everybody on this call knows about that too, which is a shame. But it's a good product. Absolutely, Ross. Fantastical. Sue, survey says for this. She's getting there searching. All right, we'll come back to Sue with that. For that. And Sue is using Terapeak, which is fantastic, and which comes from Terapeak, which comes with a free trial. So you can get a free Terapeak trial so you can go and do your research. It's super, super cool to do. It gives you a massive amount of intel about what sells on eBay. And the thing is, most folks don't really think about this, but things that sell online sell on all platforms online. So they sell on eBay, they sell on Amazon, they sell on Google, they sell on all different platforms as well. So if it sells online, you can buy it on all those different platforms, and so you can use all those different data points to drag together to give you a holistic overview of a product, which gives you much better data to evaluate your ideas based upon. How are we going? Sue, I might come back to you with that. So Terapeak's got a free trial, super cool. In Sue's fantastical eBay training program, she covers in great detail how to use Terapeak. And if you haven't got that, I know that a lot of people have got that training program now because it's such good value for money. If you haven't got that, then consider getting it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.